Viewer, welcome to my channel. I will start a video for how to install Laravel 8 project and configure database. At first, I open laravel.com and click documentation and see the installation process. At first, you check your configuration PHP 7.3 minimum and other requirement. Then at first install Composer, then you install Laravel installer or create a project by Composer. I will create project Laravel installer and I already install Laravel installer, so I will create new project Laravel new. Go to my computer and C drive www and push shift button and mouse right click. Open PowerShell, Laravel new space project name Laravel 8. Enter, start installation process. This minimize and create a database phpMyAdmin, localhost phpMyAdmin, username root, password null. Create a new database, new Laravel 8. Create. Okay. Go to terminal. Install Laravel project completely and close the terminal and open project folder Laravel 8 and push shift button again and click mouse right button. Open PowerShell again and PHP artisan serve. Enter. Start Laravel development server. Go to browser, localhost, port 8000, enter. Laravel 8 is open. Now I configure database. Go to project, open .env file in your favorite code editor. Database configure Laravel 8, username root, password null, save. Okay, database configure finish. Then open terminal, restart development server, reload project. This is fine. Thank you for watching my video.